Welcome. If you want to change Always on Display theme in your Samsung Galaxy A51, at the first you have to go for the settings, scroll down to the lock screen. Right now click on the Always on Display and find clock style. Here we got the couple different themes. You can change for this one, for example, but you can also click in displays, and here you can add the GIF theme. You can also choose from the gallery. So for example, you want to set your own picture. I'm going to take, for example, this one. As you can see, it appears here. We can also remove that widget, that picture. Click down to confirm and take a look right now when I'm going to lock the screen. As you can see, here we got our own picture on the Always on Display. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.